Every full-size accessible van from MoveMobility comes with AutoFloor installed. This track system allows drivers to change the layout of the van from ride to ride, but only if you know how to use it properly. In this video, I'll go over how AutoFloor works, how to move seats, how to secure a wheelchair, and finally, maintenance and cleaning. So let's start with what AutoFloor actually is. Once you understand this, everything else makes sense. AutoFloor is a track system built right into the floor of your van. Those tracks run down the passenger area and are what secure the seats and wheelchairs into. No tools are required, everything anchors into the track. With fixed seating, you plan your day around the van. With AutoFloor, the van adapts to your day. Same vehicle, different light. The track is the foundation for everything we're about to do. Now let's go inside the van and start with what you'll be doing most often, moving a seat. Inside the van, you will see the AutoFloor tracks running from the front to the back. Every seat sits on that track, held by a locking mechanism. To take one out, the process is simple. Reach under the seat and pull the red pin. Then pull the red handle back and you'll feel and hear the click. That click matters. It is telling you the lock is released from the track. Now do the exact same thing on the other side, because both sides have to release before the seat will move. Once both handles are back, tilt the seat backwards. The seats have wheels built right into them, so you're not having to lift a heavy seat right out of the van. You tilt it back and roll it out. Your team will appreciate this. Lifting seats every day can lead to back injuries, and this spares them that strain. Putting the seats back in or moving them to a new spot is just as easy. Make sure the seat is facing forward, then line the front legs up into the track. Check that they're sitting in it properly, then push the red handles forward. That locks it back in place. When the legs are properly in the track and the red handles are forward, the seat is part of the vehicle again. So that's your seating sorted out. But the whole reason you got a wheelchair accessible van is to transport wheelchair users. So next up, let's secure a wheelchair. When you're transporting a wheelchair user, their safety comes first. And few things are more dangerous than a wheelchair that isn't secured properly. For the safety of everyone, go over the detailed instructions that came with your specific restraints. For now, I'll give you a general overview. AutoFloor works with a 4-point restraint system. 4 straps that anchor into the same floor track. Here's the order. First, get the passenger facing forward and the wheelchair in a position you want it locked into. In a side entry van, that may mean turning the wheelchair so it's facing the front. Set the brakes, and if it's a powered wheelchair, switch it off. Now the 4 restraints. 1 into the track at each corner of the chair, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. Hook each strap into the solid frame of the wheelchair, never onto a removable part like an armrest or a footrest. Keep each strap at about a 45-degree angle. Make sure there are no twists and don't cross or overlap them. Then tighten them down so the chair can't shift or roll. Last, the passenger's own belts, separate from the chair. The lap belt goes across the pelvis, again at about 45 degrees. The shoulder belt runs across from the hip to the opposite shoulder, just like a car seat belt, and it should never sit tight against the neck. Lock it into the track provided along the sides of your van. Get this right and your riders travel safely. And keeping this all working comes down to the last thing that you don't want to overlook. AutoFloor barely asks anything from you out of maintenance, but the little that it does ask makes a real difference. The track is what does the locking, so you want to keep it clear. Sweep it out regularly or blow it out clean with compressed air. Grit, gravel, road salt, that's the stuff that builds up over a Canadian winter. And keeping the tracks clean are what keep your seats sliding and locking smoothly. The seats themselves are even easier. They're made from transit-grade vinyl, so most messes can be cleaned with water and a cloth. That's it. No special products or complicated upkeep. Keep the track clear, wipe the seats down, and the system keeps doing its job. So that's AutoFloor, made for flexibility. If you have any questions about using the AutoFloor system, put them in the comments below. We're always happy to help.